Welcome to KBTE Teacher Education Channel. In this class, we are going to discuss about agencies of socialization. Number of agencies which are going to play an important role in the process of socialization. In that, first agency of socialization is family. Family is the first and most important agency of socialization because child spends maximum time with family members. Means that child is going to spend maximum time with maximum communication with family members like parents, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts, cousins and grandparents. By doing communication with all these family members, children are going to learn so many things. Means that many good habits, many good behaviors, children are going to learn from the family members. By communicating with family members, by contacting with family members, children are going to learn qualities like love, sympathy, cooperation, tolerance, consideration, and also so many other qualities also children are going to learn from the family itself only. Not only children are going to learn these qualities, children are going to learn traditions, customs, and also ideals also. Because in socialization of the child, ideals are going to play an important role, customs are going to play an important role, traditions are going to play an important role. So tradition means what? In family, with respect of religion, with respect of caste, with respect of religion, family members are going to follow certain mechanisms. So those mechanisms are going to be called as traditions, which are going to be followed from our forefathers. Ideals means what? In family members, some people are going to behave like ideal human beings. Means that they are in a disciplined manner, their language is completely in a polite manner, they are going to behave in a proper manner, they are going to receive people with a respect. So these all are called as qualities. So these qualities are also going to be learned by the child in family itself only, because child is going to observe family members, how they are living, how they are behaving, how they are communicating, how they are using language, how they are giving respect to younger people and elder people, how they are doing work in their family. So by concentrating on these areas, children are going to learn so many things from family itself only. So that's why family is going to play an important role in socialization of the child. So that's why family is actually first school of the child. At the same time, and first teacher of the child is who? Mother. Means that mother is the first teacher of the child, and family is the first school of the child. So that's why family, in that family, mother is going to play an important role in socialization of the child, because child is going to spend lot of time with the mother and also father and also other family members. So this is the first agency of socialization. Next, the second one is neighborhood. So do you know what is meant by neighborhood? Means that in our area, in our surrounding house, those who are living, so those people are called as neighborhood people. When a child grows a little older, he goes to the houses of his neighborhood. Not only he goes to the houses of the neighborhood, he plays with them, especially with his or peer group. At the same time, the child is going to comes in contact with family members of neighborhood. Means that in neighborhood family, matured people will be there, matured family members will be there. So by doing communication with matured family members of the neighborhood house. By playing with his or her peer group, children are going to learn so many qualities like cooperation and also spirit, love, sympathy, sincerity, discipline, different skills. All these are going to be learned by the child by playing with his or her peer group. So here, if neighborhood is good, if neighborhood environment is good, so then there is a possibility of positive socialization. Because what is there? Neighborhood is good, neighborhood environment is good. Because of that reason, when child is comes in contact with neighborhood people, with his peer group, that child is going to be socialized in a positive manner. But when neighborhood is not in a positive manner, when neighborhood environment is in a negative manner, there children are going to learn some undesirable behaviors, undesirable habits, which are completely to against the wishes of the society. Means that that person, that child is not going to socialize in a positive manner because of bad social environment, bad neighborhood environment. So that's why in socialization of the child, neighborhood, especially children of neighborhood and also matured persons of that neighborhood house, these people are going to play important role in socialization of child. Because every day, whenever that child is going to get an opportunity to go outside, that child will goes to the houses of the neighborhood and he will try to play with them and he will try to communicate with them. Because of all these things, that child is going to learn so many qualities: love, sympathy, affection, cooperation, receiving, way of respecting others, way of giving respect, way of taking respect. All these things are going to be learned but that child by using neighborhood people. And the next third agency of socialization is school. After family, after neighborhood, school is also going to play an important role in socialization of the child. So when student will start to go to the school at the age of 4 years, that child will goes to the school. When that child will goes to the school, so there that child is going to comes in contact with different community people, different religion people and different financial social areas people. By comes in contact with these people, these children, that child is going to learn so many things. Why? Means not only that child is going to comes in contact with children, that child is going to comes in contact with teachers, headmasters and also peons, means that attendants, those who are working in that school. Not only that child is going to comes in contact with all these people, that child is going to participate some activities. Those activities may be cultural activities or festival activities or any informal activities, formal activities, whatever activities are going to be organized in that school. Some students are going to participate in those activities. Some students are going to just as a spectator, they are going to see what is going on in those activities. So by participating in activity, by communicating, by contacting with his peer group, by contacting with his classmates, by contacting with teachers, by contacting with peon and attender, children are going to learn so many things. Means that they are going to learn language and they are going to learn how to behave with his peer group, and they are going to learn, the child is going to learn how to give respect to the teacher, and that child is going to learn how to get something from the teacher. That child is not only is going to get education in the school, that child is going to be socialized completely in a positive manner. Because what is there in school? Some norms will be there, some regulations will be there, education will be there. Because of that reason, there is a possibility of socialization of the child completely in a positive manner. So by participating whatever activities are going to take place in the school, so by organizing, by participating in those activities, children are going to learn so many qualities like sympathy, love, cooperation, coordination, affection, giving respect to others, taking respect others, spirit. All these things are going to be, all these qualities are going to be learned completely in a positive manner by the child when he is going to engage in school education. So these are the three important agencies of socialization. So remaining other agencies of socialization we are going to discuss in next video. Thank you. So this topic is very useful not only for Bachelor of Education and also for Diploma in Elementary Education. At the same time, those who are writing National Eligibility Test in Education, State Eligibility Test in Education, for these areas also, this topic is going to play very important role. So please watch this video. So please take notes. At the same time, concentrate on my explanation so that you are going to understand concept of socialization in an easy manner. And whenever, if you have any time, so please share my videos your friends and ask them to subscribe and instruct them to share that video to his or her friends. Thank you.